Skyfire and Ondas partner to provide U.S. public safety markets with advanced drone technology. Today, Ondas Holdings business unit Ondas Autonomous Systems OAS and Public Safety UAS Consulting Group Skyfire Consulting announced a partnership to provide public safety and drone first responder DFR markets in the United States with advanced autonomous drone solutions and services. The partnership will take advantage of Skyfire's deep domain experience and customer relationships, as well as the technology and expertise of OAS business units American Robotics and Aerobotics, including Aerobotics Optimus System automated drone platform. Aerobotics fully automated Optimus System UAS was made for on-demand 24/7 aerial data operations in complex environments, and includes all of the necessary hardware and software for safe and efficient data capture, distribution, and analytics. The platform is currently in the final stages of completing FAA type certification, which will enable Aerobotics and Skyfire to fly BVLOS in further and more complex environments. Skyfire has worked with hundreds of police departments across the United States to develop comprehensive drone programs with the drones that were available, said Skyfire founder and CEO Matt Sloan. Many of those departments are looking for ways to remove the pilot from the rooftop and let them focus on doing their jobs. The Optimus drone capabilities, with its pending type certification, will be the automated drone solution of choice for these agencies. Optimus Systems offers up to 7 different payload options and 10 batteries, and is available 24 hours a day for a wide range of operations including in public safety, critical infrastructure, disaster response, surveying, and mapping. Skyfire will leverage its decade of experience with mission-specific drone training, advanced waiver capability, integration with radar systems, and drone first response operations experience. The Optimus system is the next generation of drones, and Skyfire is a terrific partner uniquely capable of helping drive customer adoption in public safety markets across the U.S., said Ondas Holdings CEO Eric Brook. Installed as aerial infrastructure, Optimus has the potential to revolutionize the way emergency agencies respond to incidents reported to 911 centers. By combining the solutions-based aviation expertise of Skyfire with Aerobotics experience in deploying citywide drone infrastructure, with proven safety and reliability, we are confident that many U.S. cities and emergency departments will benefit from shorter response times, improved efficiency, and a more environmentally friendly solution. We are excited to move forward with Skyfire. Skyfire is committed to supporting first responders, military, U.S. Department of Defense DoD, and critical infrastructure through drone technology and the Drone First Responder DFR programs, which see the deployment of drones enhance response to emergency situations and grant an added layer of safety for public safety agencies and the community. DFR programs seek to lower response times, grant situational awareness, and improve efficiency,